The Mesh-Up area is to showcase how vehicles, mobile robots, AGVs, AMRs of different brands can run under one master control, so-called mixed fleets of different brands. We showcase here an Omron MoMA, a MoMA solution built of an Omron AMR, an Omron mobile robot, and an industrial robot on top, providing highest flexibility in intralogistics and also operations. VDA 5050 is a guideline that was defined by the German car industry. That's how it started, together with the VDMA, to provide guidance how mixed fleets of different brands can operate under one master control. What type of benefits this provides? First of all, if you look at customers, if you look at end users, they have their processes, maybe some logistics processes, maybe some intralogistics processes, and they probably need different vehicles to handle these processes. As not every mobile robot manufacturer has the complete portfolio, somehow they need to cooperate together to be able to run all these different mobile robots under one master control. Master control, really controlling the robots controlling the processes, and also providing connectivity to the upper level, like ERP systems. We as Omron, we already participate in the VDA 5050 group since a longer time. We were one of the early adopters, because we see definitely this need to enable automation for end users, and to make sure that automation with mobile robots of different brands in mixed fleets can be really successful. We maintain our customers through the whole process, not only through the VDA 5050 process, the VDA 5050 onboarding process. We provide with our technical teams the support through the full journey, from the pre-sales process, estimating the fleet size, estimating the right mobile robot that is needed for this specific task, working together with our solution partner and system integrator to connect, to make the connection between the end user and the system builder who can create the solution, and also to provide trainings to the system integrator and to the end users. We hope that with this combination we can make sure that automation can be enabled. Automation that is needed on the production floor to make production more safe, to ensure quality, to make sure that we have traceability, but also to relieve people from unnecessary tasks like transportation of goods from A to B.